Hi guys, back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm gonna show you where to find the basic category video effects on the CapCut PC. So if you didn't know, there are some updates on the new CapCut where you cannot find the basic category on the video effects. So if you go to the video effect, in here you cannot find the basic category. So the basic category is now divided into these three: opening and closing, lens, and also nightclub. So before, like the diamond zoom, the blur effect, that is found before under the basic category, now is placed under the opening and closing. And on the lens you can find the edge glow or the other effects from basic, like this. You can see these are the effect that is before on the basic category, like soft here. And you can also find the effects on the basic category now under the nightclub. So if you want to find the basic category, you cannot find it now because it's now updated into these three categories. Okay, so that's all for me. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and click on thanks.